Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. What's going on? Street Trading here with Wednesday's Trade Ideas video. Today's the 17th of February. Looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. Let's get into it. So, obviously, you see we had that push up into the open yesterday morning, and the boys just filled that gap and brought it back down to last week's kind of resistance. And as you can see, this morning was pretty much trading sideways, pretty much trading at the close. So there's really not much going on. Still got a couple more hours. Actually, one more hour till the boys step in at 8 a.m. and then go from there. But character change, guys. We keep talking about the same thing, character change. So, we're still pushing. So it doesn't, we're not talking about, any backside yet. But footprints are there. That's all we're saying. Footprint could be another day, could be another week, month, year, who fucking knows, but at the end of the day, footprints are there. So trade the trend, trade the flow, keep it short and simple. That's it, guys. So obviously you see the highs already, continue to point all-time highs, so that's going to be the new resistance level. But right now we're just pretty much trading flat right now in the pre-market session. As far as going into today's session, we don't really like what we're seeing on our scans, so we're keeping it simple from yesterday's runs to the upside and to the downside. So we're gonna look at continuation solely today. We only got 3, keeping it short and sweet. Yesterday was a fucking beast monster day for us with blue to the downside. So let's just get into what we're looking at today. We're keeping it nice and sweet and tight. If this then that, nothing happens, we're not trading, guys. Just because the market is open doesn't mean you need to start clicking the buy and sell button. All right, keep that in mind, guys. Always understand that part of this business. Don't be forced to click a button just because the market's open. All right, get out of that habit. It's a newbie habit, actually. You're right. You're excited to start putting some capital to work, and it's ready to go. Market's moving, and okay, great. When you get over that excitement, then it's just something else, right? So understand that just because the market's open doesn't mean you got to click buttons. If you don't have anything ready to go, if your levels aren't ready to go, if you don't like anything, it's not lining up the way you like to trade, the way you like to trade, not anybody else. Maybe someone's looking at the pre-market this morning and was like, wow, this is exactly what I do. Exactly. Okay, great. So then you do you, right? You have to trade what works best for you. Doesn't matter what anybody else is doing. It's completely irrelevant. Trade what you see and what works for you. That being said, let's get into what we are looking at for today's session, the levels we will be risking off of, if this and that scenarios, and that is it. Let's get into the details, guys. All right, let's get to business.